Hello, sir. Kepley, Sanitech. We're at site address 2783. Part 2 of video. I'm going through a 4-inch cast iron cleanout, which is located here in the basement, in the rear of the property. There on the floor, next to the door. We're going to push it down the flow line, turn the counter on, and we'll continue with our inspection. Currently have water running through the bathroom sink. And also we have water running through the kitchen sink going through a different line so we can identify where the Y is at. So we're going to continue with our inspection here, and we'll push it out to the city face of curb where the homeowner is responsible. Okay, right here at the transition, looks like we've got some roots coming in the side of the pipe, also on the bottom of the pipe. Right here as well, we have some more root intrusion, as well as a crack on the top of the pipe right there. We're in 6-inch terracotta. Right there's like some organic material coming in the side of the pipe on that one. And right here we have a major offset pipe and a leaking joint. Here's where that transition, where the other line comes in. Another major offsetted joint. Definitely joint would be leaking. Right there at the top of the screen, you can see a root coming in right at the very top at about 3 o'clock on the video screen. That one's real minor. Here's another major offsetted joint. Right there, if you notice, right at 12 o'clock, the pipe has a crack in it. Get it in. That's going to be the same. We're going to shut all the water off, let it dissipate, and we'll pull back and continue with the inspection. looking at the sewer line here, there's several failures in this line. I'm going to recommend the entire terracotta pipe gets replaced. We have major offsets, which is allowing some unfriendly critters to come through. Cracks in the line as well. If you notice when I pull back here past this joint, maybe it's the next joint down. We had major offsets, and then you also see cracks in the terracotta right past the joint. So this line will fail due to multiple failures in the line. Right here would be an example of a crack. If you notice, the terracotta stops about a ½ inch past that, there's a crack in the line. So this line will fail due to root intrusion. As we pull back, you'll notice there's another crack right there.
I'm waiting for that rat to come back.
They're not going to hurt you.
Keep the loops on the cleanouts on.
Okay, here's where the other line comes in from the other side of the house. The joint that the cast iron connects to this Y is leaking and is blocked. We couldn't get our camera past it. If you notice around the upper portion of the screen, it would be about 9 o'clock on the video where you can see the organic material leaking into the ground, into the sewer pipe. So I'm going to recommend the full line replacement of this terracotta line.
Oh, so that right there is for the other one?
Mm-hmm. And also at the very beginning of the line here at the transition, you'll notice we have some root intrusion. Should be coming up right up here. Right there, it's about 10 feet in. We have root intrusion on the top of the pipe.
Yeah, that laurel hedge right there.
What's it from?
The laurel, they're really bad.
And right there's another joint that has some more root intrusion right there. And right here is going to be our cast iron transition. So this will conclude our video. I'm going to shut the recording off and go ahead and locate and identify, put some paint marks on the ground to identify where the sewer line runs. If you have any questions, give Eric Sanatech a call, 503-213-4775.